Welcome to March. We are doing our summer camp countdown. We are halfway to getting ready for camp. So rubber's starting to hit the road, but the good news is should still be smooth sailing if you're well organized. How do you get well organized? Follow this checklist. Let's get started. Okay, March, our theme is halfway home because we're halfway to summer camp. And you have seen this repeatedly if you've been watching month by month. In fact, everything is the same. We have a new email going out to parents for our sales budget. We're still hopefully booking some sales workshops. Send out a few emails, do a few phone calls. They'll also come to you over time, which is always a great sign of success. But in particular, for operations, everything is the same except for insurance. This is when you need to start getting organized. Don't wait to find an insurance provider because this might take a little bit of time, especially if you have a summer camp that's a sports camp or that could be deemed higher injury, higher risk of injury. So I do know if you apply too early, they won't give you the certificate, but you don't want to wait too late because these schools I mentioned, they're going to want to ensure you have insurance, as will your landlords for your rent. So get your insurance, tell them the facts, pretty straightforward. And staffing is still the same, except my goal is by March, I want to have most of my staff hired. My ideal is 90%. Probably not going to happen necessarily, but that's the goal. And I want to welcome them in because the university college students, they'll be ready by their last exams are April. They'll be ready by May to start working. They often want the reassurance that A, they have a job, and B, how can you best apply their talents? So welcome them to the team with a simple email and let them know we've got some exciting things planned for summer. Good luck.